am on May 13th, 2019, and I'm moving to Disney World. Haley and I just checked in, and we're roommates. It's pouring rain right now.
Like pouring
Look at
rain.
this.
Pouring rain.
And our building's on the other side of the complex. So we're waiting out the rain, seeing if it'll stop in a few minutes. But we're all checked in. And we just have to get there. We have to lug all our luggage. We have to lug
Which is
this.
A lot.
And this. So we're just waiting for the rain to maybe stop. We'll find out. How was that, Haley?
I'm dying.
3 hours later.
A lot has happened since I last talked to you guys. I moved in, unpacked, we went to Walmart. I spent too much money. Yeah, we've done a lot of things. Let me show you around. Let's do a little apartment tour. So this is our kitchen. It's a pretty decent kitchen. This is Haley and Mira. This is our kitchen table. And then, oh, this is when you walk into our room, we have this. That's for Haley, Olivia, Mira, because we live in there. But this is our living room area, and that's the other bedroom for other roommates. We have a balcony. Oh, it's so nice. And we have like a corner room. So we can we have a pretty good view from our room. I'll show you in a minute. And then back inside. So into our room, we have our beds. Haley's still unpacking. This one's Mira's, that one's Haley's, and then I'm the top bunk. And then we have our mirror here. Hey, what's up? And then this is our awesome view. We have a view like the little lake pond thing going on over there in the distance. And then this is our massive bathroom. Hey again. And then our massive closet. It's huge. It's literally the size of my bedroom at home. So that's basically it. Yeah. It's been going pretty good so far. We're just unloading groceries, and then we're gonna eat some food, and we are going to do something really fun. What is wrong with you, Haley? Haley's over there dying. Apparently I'm hilarious. But we're gonna do something.
We have a garbage disposal?
We have a garbage disposal?
Sorry, that was really exciting news.
That's awesome. Anyways, we're gonna do something really fun that we weren't sure we were gonna be able to do because the weather was really bad today, but it's cleared out. So fingers crossed it stays that way. And you'll find out what that is very soon. I feel like I'm in Hawaii.
I am so excited.
I am so excited. I am so excited. Oh my god. We are at the Poly and we all got Dole Whips. Dole Whip Squad. Awesome. Yeah. So we're gonna watch the fireworks. As you can see, Magic Kingdom is literally right over there. I'll show you. That castle is literally Magic Kingdom. Like, that's Magic Kingdom. Ah! But yeah, my Dole Whip is melting, so I have to eat it. Okay, bye. I got myself a Dole Whip. I love this.
I didn't know that was there.
She's a treat.
Every night, nightly traditions.
That's me. Can I be the octopus?